So today's lesson is planning for an argument essay, and the planning process for the argument essay is going to be dealing with using a T-chart. So T-chart is one of the best ways to use to prepare for the argument essay, because argument essay is usually dealing with a topic and looking at that topic as far as why it's good and why it's bad. So let's take a look at an example. So here we see an example of a T-chart. The reason why they call it a T is because it looks like a T, the letter T. And with this, you have a topic, getting a cat, and then we also have pros, or in other words, for this topic. Why is it good to get a cat? And then we also have cons, or against this topic, why it's bad to get a cat. So here somebody wrote fun, companionship or friendship, snuggling, like hugging a cat, and the bad things: you have to clean their poop box, you have to pay for their food, and you have to take them to their hospital. So let's look at one more example. Here's another example: pros, cons. So this one is showing us the topic, if I skip school. So it's asking, is it good to miss class, right? So reasons why it's good, reasons why it's bad. So one of the things that's also wrong with this is that, not that it has too many colors or too many pictures, but it has too many words. Your chart, this is a great chart because it's quick and simple. We don't want to spend a lot of time making T-charts because, as you know, your essays have to be done very quickly. So words like this, too many words like this, it's not going to be helpful. So let's look at an example where I'd like you to go ahead and fill this one in. Kuwait should stay on lockdown until the end of summer. So why are reasons this is good and why are reasons this is bad? So I want you guys to give me your thoughts.